Hi. What about our last section? Is it understood? I think in the last section we discussed about heating effects of electric current and Joule's law. And we discussed about Joule's law and the devices that work based on Joule's law. Today we are going to discuss about the last part of this chapter, that is electric power. Okay. Electric power. What is electric power? In class 9th, you already learned that what is power. Power is the rate of doing work. Okay. Or electric power is also known as the rate of doing work or the rate of consumption of electrical energy. Okay. And this we can write, that is electric power is represented by the letter P and it is called the rate of doing a work or it is the rate of consumption of energy. So W is written as both work and energy. We can use the simple W. So power P is equal to W by T. Okay, that is the rate of consumption of energy is called power. And here we know that the potential difference V is written as V is equal to W by Q. So from here we can write it as W is equal to VQ. Okay, so we can change this equation by substituting W is equal to VQ. So power P is equal to VQ divided by T. Okay, VQ divided by T. Then which is equal to V into Q by T. What is V into Q by T? What is Q by T? That is, we learned in the first part itself, that is electric current. Okay. So the charge per unit time is called electric current. So what we can write it as VI. So here is an expression for power. Power is equal to VI. Here V is the potential difference and I is the current flowing through the circuit. Okay. And the next, in this equation, power P is equal to VI. We can apply Ohm's law. Okay. According to Ohm's law, what is V? V is equal to IR. Okay. So we can substitute these all things in this VI by Ohm's law. So, by Ohm's law, V is equal to IR and I is equal to V by R. Okay, the two equations are there. So we can change the equation power. Power P is equal to, instead of VI, we can write it as this V is equal to IR. So what we can write, IR into I, which is equal to I square R. Okay, this is an expression for power. This is another expression for power. Okay, these all are the expression for power. Then we can make one more expression for power by substituting I is equal to V by R in this equation 1. Let it be 1. Then you can easily understand. So instead of I, we can substitute V by R. Okay. So power P is equal to V into, instead of I, VI. Instead of I, what we can write it here? V by R. V into V by R, which is equal to, what is the expression for that? That is V square by R. So these all equations you can use to find the power based on the given data. To solve numerics, you can use the equations based on the given data. So which are the equation? Power is equal to W by T, or you can use, that is VQ by T, or you can use VI or I square R, V square by R. These all are the expression for power. Okay. Then what is the unit of power? In normal case, the power of the bulb and the devices all we use to express a unit called watt. The SI unit of power is watt. Then how can we define this watt? Okay, how can we define this watt? That is, the SI unit of electric power is watt. And how can we define this watt? Okay, so we have the relation power P is equal to VI. Okay, so we can tell that if a device carries a current of 1 ampere operated at a potential difference of 1 volt, then the power consumed by the device is 1 watt. That is, 1 watt is equal to 1 volt into 1 ampere. Okay, 1 ampere. That is, a device carries a current of 1 ampere operated at a potential difference of 1 volt. Then the device consumes the energy is equal to 1 watt. Okay, so that is the definition for the unit of power. Clear? So it have some other unit also. For the commercial purposes and all, for power stations and all, they are using a some more big unit. That is called prestige kilowatt. Okay, that is kilowatt is kW, and sometimes they are using is megawatt also. Megawatt. Kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt and megawatt is equal to 10 raised to 6 watt. Okay, and sometimes to express the unit of power in the motor, domestic purposes we are using motors are the electric motors. So in that case we used to represent the unit, we used to tell the unit horsepower, that is HP. Okay, HP. So 1 HP is equal to 746 watts. Okay, so these all are the unit of power. So what is electric power? The rate of consumption of electrical energy is called electric power, and it is represented by equation P is equal to W by T or VQ by T or VI, or we can use I square R, or we can use V square by R. These all are the expression for power, and its unit is watt, and 1 watt is equal to 1 volt into 1 ampere. Okay. Then the unit of the big unit, or larger unit of power is kilowatt and megawatt, and kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt, megawatt is equal to 10 raised to 6 watt, and 1 horsepower is equal to, that is another unit of power, and which is equal to 746 watt. Okay. Then next we are going to see what is the commercial unit of electrical energy. What is electrical energy? So simple words, we know that energy means the capacity to do work, that is called energy. So electrical energy, and electrical energy. So what is the unit of electrical energy? And first of all we can make the equation. We learned that electric power is equal to W by T. Here this work done is same as the energy, so W is equal to power into time. Okay. So the electrical energy means electrical power into time, or energy is equal to power into time. Then what is its unit? In normal case we can use the unit, the SI unit of energy is joule. Okay, so that is joule is the unit of energy. But here we are using watt hour. For commercial purposes, we are using the commercial unit of electrical energy is kilowatt hour. Okay, and this kilowatt hour we can convert into joule. So let us convert 1 kilowatt hour into joule. So 1 kilowatt hour, that is 1 kWh. Okay, 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. So 1000 watt into 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 second. Okay. So, which is equal to 1000 into 60 into 60 into what we can write watt second. Okay, this watt second means what we can write it as watt second means it is the joule itself. Okay, so here we can write 6 into 6 means 36. So we can write here it as 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. Okay, 6 joule is the 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. Okay. So, this is the calculation of electrical energy in joule. Okay. So, this is the last part of our chapter. I think we completed most of the problems also. So, what you have to do now? So many problems are there in the textbook. Some problems I'll give through this class and the other problem you can solve it yourself. And if you have any doubt regarding any problem, you can send a message to me through WhatsApp. Okay. So, let us revise the whole lesson once again from first itself. The first class we discussed about what is electric current, then electric potential, then what is Ohm's law, then what is resistance, factors affecting resistance, then combination of resistance, parallel and series combination. Then after heating effects of electric current and then Joule's law of heating effect. After we discussed about electric power and electrical energy and the conversion of 1 kilowatt hour into joule. Okay. So these all are the points that we studied in this lesson. So let us revise today's section once again. Today we discussed about electric power. The rate of consumption of an electrical energy is called electric power. And electric power is equal to work done by time. So, power P is equal to W by T. Here W is equal to VQ from equation V is equal to W by Q. Then, which is equal to, here VQ by T. So, here Q by T is equal to I. So, power P is equal to VI. Unit of power is equal to watt. The SI unit of power is watt. And 1 watt is equal to 1 volt into 1 ampere. So, here we can define 1 watt. 1 watt is the power consumed by a device that carries 1 ampere of current when operated at a potential difference of 1 volt. Expression for power. For power you can use many equations. So, the first equation is power P is equal to VI. So, when we substitute the equation Ohm's law, V is equal to IR and I is equal to V by R, there are different kinds of equations. So, power is equal to W by T, which is equal to VQ by T, which is equal to VI, or is equal to I square R, or which is equal to V square by R watt. So, these all are the expression for power. Based on the given data, you can use any of the equation and find power. Next, other units of power. The SI unit of power is watt and the larger unit of power is, first one is kilowatt and megawatt and horsepower. So, 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt, 1 megawatt is equal to 10 raised to 6 watt and 1 horsepower, HP means horsepower, is equal to 746 watt. Commercial unit of electrical energy. Electrical energy consumed is W is equal to power into time. Unit of energy is equal to unit of power into unit of time. So, unit of power is watt and time is second. And watt into second is equal to joule. Commercial unit of electrical energy is kilowatt hour. So, we can define kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is the electrical energy spent by an electrical appliance of power 1 watt when it is operated for 1 hour. Next, conversion of watt hour into joule. 1 watt hour is equal to 1 watt into 1 hour. So here 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 second. So 1 watt into 60 which is equal to 3600 joule. Similarly, 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. Here 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt and 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 second. So 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. What determines the rate at which energy is delivered by a current? Power determines the rate at which energy is delivered by a current. An electric motor takes a current of 5 ampere from a 220 volt line. Determine the power of the motor and energy consumed in 2 hours. Power P is equal to VI and V is equal to 220 volt and I is equal to 5 ampere. Power P is equal to 220 into 5. So which is equal to 1100 watt. Energy is equal to power into time. So energy is equal to P into T. So power is 1100 into 2 into 60 into 60. So 7.92 into 10 raised to 9 joule is the answer. Worksheet. Define the following. A. Power. B. 1 watt. Derive all the equations of power. What are the other bigger units of power? What do you mean by 1 kilowatt hour? Convert kilowatt hour into joule. Then you have to solve the textual exercise question number 1 to 10 also. So this also add in your worksheet, and if you have any doubt regarding any questions you can ask through WhatsApp. Okay. So